Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to set up QuickBooks Enterprise in multi-user mode. Now the first thing I want you to do is actually just press Ctrl+1, the keys on your keyboard, Ctrl+1, and it will open up your product information. Here you can see user licenses. So here, for one user, okay? So that is the amount of users you can use. Now once we have that cleared, if you are able to use more than one users, then you come to the top left, you click on File, okay? And then you should see right here, switch to multi-user mode. I'm already in there, but we can just click here, switch to multi-user mode. Just give it a few seconds. Right now, switch to single user, and then you can easily switch back to multi-user. Just give it a few seconds, and you just follow these steps. It will work as long as you have the appropriate license for it, okay? Then just wait for this to initialize and just follow the on-screen instructions. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.